Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to speed up your computer in just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Okay guys, you don't have to delete anything or you don't have to release any space in your computer, so don't bother about deleting stuff just to free up disk so you can speed up your computer. No, I'm going to be showing you how to speed up your computer, and it is pretty cool and fast and real. Okay, so the first step is you have to press Windows key and run on your computer. Now when you do that, you have to type msconfig. Good. So you type msconfig after pressing the Windows key and arrow. So after typing msconfig, the next thing you do is click OK. So a window is going to pop up and you're going to see General, Boot, Services, Startup, Tools. Now you have to go to Boot. You click on Boot. Then after clicking on Boot, you go to Advanced Options. Advanced Options. Now, do you see this option right here? Number of processors. Okay, you have to click that. You have to make it checked. So you have to check it. When you check it, you see it's showing at 1. Now, my computer is a dual core, so definitely I'm gonna be having 2 cores. Dual means 2. So your computer may be having 8 cores or maybe even 16. So it depends on the kind of PC or the kind of processor you are using. I am using a dual core, so I'm going to be having 2 cores. But now, as you see right here, it's written here 1 because I am making use of 1 core only, meaning that everything I do on a computer is being processed by 1 core only and the other is left out, meaning that the other core is not working. So in order for me to speed up my computer, I have to click on 2. This means that my 2 processors now will be activated. They will be working, meaning that I'm not going to be using only 1 processor but 2 processors. So my speed will incredibly double. Seriously guys. So when you do that, now here is about RAM. No, you don't have to keep this checked. I have 4 GB of RAM, so that is not a problem. So you keep it unchecked. So we are bothered about our processor. When you check this, you click 2 processors. If you're having 8 processors, you definitely would click the highest. You click 8. If you're having a 16 core processor, you click normally the 16. So I'm having only 2 processors, so I'll click 2 there to make sure that the 2 processors are working, meaning that I'm doubling my speed. And after that, I press OK. I click apply and I press OK. Now when you do that, this menu is going to pop up insisting that you should restart your computer, and I advise you restart. So that is it. So when you click restart, your computer will restart. Okay, that's it. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope the video was helpful a lot. So please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell icon so you can be notified each time I post videos on my channel. Also, don't forget to comment and like and share to your friends. So thank you.